First, we'll make a quick sketch. In this case, I'll use a mechanical pencil with a 2B lead. When we make a sketch, we must make it with lines soft, so we can erase them when we don't need them anymore. It's a very important step in every drawing. Don't begin with details. Begin with a quick sketch and develop your drawing step by step, and don't begin to shade until you are satisfied with the result of your sketch. In this case, I think this dolphin could be a little bit bigger, so I'll make it bigger here and there. Okay, beautiful. Little more here. As you see, I don't hesitate to correct anything that I am not pleased with it. So I can in this step of our drawing, we can make this as many times as we need. But only can do this if we make the sketch caressing the paper with the lead of your pencil. If you press too hard your pencil against the paper, it will be very difficult to erase the lines. Okay? Now we'll make the eyes with a very sharp pencil. Okay. And the first shadows. Okay. I'll develop the mouth here. Okay. Now this part. As you know, all materials I'll use are in the description of this video below. Okay? As light comes from the upside of this drawing, from the sky, shadows are below of our dolphin. Okay. Pay attention to the edges of your drawing, because in realism, not hyper-realism, in realism, like this drawing, edges say everything about your drawing. You must separate every part of your drawing not only with lines, but with shadows and lights, or grays and whites. Okay? This is an artistic blending stamp. We can use it with the point or with the side, as you'll see later. There are many sizes for artistic blending stamps, and they are very cheap. You need to have in your stock of drawing tools, you need some blending stamps like this. Okay, I think it is now really good. Only a few touches and shadows of parts of this dolphin before I'll draw the background. It is important in your drawing to draw backgrounds, okay? Because many times we forget to do this, and our drawings look not very interesting, but you can do this if you wish or not. This is a tombow or precision eraser, and I am cleaning lights and the edges of the drawing to give it more realism. Okay. If you have haven't done yet, please subscribe to my channel, to this channel, if you wish to see more videos and be updated by YouTube when I upload new videos, and share with your friends, and like if you like it, or if you don't like, don't click like. Okay. No, it is true. If you don't like this video, don't click thumbs up. But if you like, click thumbs up. Sorry. Okay. Yes, it is difficult for me to speak in English when I don't have too much vocabulary, and I am a person that speaks a lot in my language. I really speak a lot and love a lot too. But in English, I am thinking what word is to say that or to say the other thing, and so I cannot make any laugh. Oh, this is graphite powder. Okay, very useful when we make realistic drawings, and a tissue of paper tissue. Okay. Be very careful with the edges of the dolphin, of your dolphin. Don't blur them, okay? Go step by step, and the darker area is below our dolphin. Okay, very slow. If you see this drawing is going too fast for you, you know, in the options of YouTube, you can make it go slowly, okay? But I advise you, if you put it in the slow reproduction of the slow playing, silence the video. It's better. Now I'll draw some waves of the surface of the sea above our dolphin, step by step, and with a very soft pencil, in this case a 5B, but if you don't have, you may use a 6B or 4B. Now this part will go over water. Okay, the horizon with the help of this rule. Okay, I make it more realistic, because the surface of the water of the sea, you see from below, is very flat and horizontal. Okay, now I'll recover the white parts of the waves of water and recover it with the eraser, with the tombow. As you see, I use needed eraser a lot. I put it eraser in other countries, and tombow or precision eraser a lot too. They are very useful when you want to draw textures. Okay, now something more here, and only remain to make some details and soft things, and your drawing will be finished. Okay, this part is over the water, so you can look it clearly. Okay. If you are wondering, I have another drawing channel at YouTube. In my channel is Arte Vivo y Divertido, and it is in Spanish. Up here, up to the right, put the link. Okay, I think it is almost finished. What do you think? Do you like it? Okay, see you soon and bye!